Hi everyone, my name is Samuel Farmer. In today's video we're going to go over our React project, Rick and Morty API. Figma project wireframe starts with 4 pages, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next we have our project overview that shows our backstage design system with all the templates we want to try to follow while designing this React project. After that, we have our home page with our landing that shows our latest update card pertaining to any kind of show news. Then we have our search that connects to our API for character search. Our about page explains the website. And finally, our submit page for users to be able to submit new character info awaiting admin approval. Okay, as you can see, we have our React project started. And we're going to just look at a few things first. As you see, we did Tailwind in our project, which knocked down on a lot of documentation and styling. The only thing we couldn't get to work right now for Tailwind is our search page. For some reason with the API and the search bar and styling, it wouldn't give me the results I wanted for now, but we will go back to that in the future. Let's see. So let's go back to our home page. Let's look at our dependencies first for this project. We had Tailwind, all our React DOM, React icons for social media, Howler for our audio player. It's actually playing a Rick and Morty theme song on the website. You're not able to hear it on this end, so that's one reason I just haven't had it playing, but it is playing there. Also have framer motion for the logo here. That's why it enhances when you hover over it. And let's get into our home page. On our home page here, we have our latest update card that gives us our latest news for the show. It says sometime next year there's going to be a new season coming out. Also has a source article you can click on and it'll take you to that article. Let's go back to our project and check out our search page. Here you can search for any character that's in the show and it will bring it up. Our pagination has 2 at once. You can go next. Next. Let's try Morty. As you see, it will pull up anything from the API. Everything is flowing well with our Tailwind design. Footer works well with our contact info and social media icons. Let's go to About. This is giving you information on the website. Gives you the API website for documentation. And finally, we have our submit. Our submit page here is for users to be able to submit new character info and also a picture with that, and they can provide an email, and all this will be sent to an admin to wait approval. And if it is approved, they'll get an email back of that approval so they can come back and actually look it up. Now, right now we're doing this with local storage, but I am going to change this in the future to backend and have MongoDB and Postman testing it out. But for now, you can see here as we submit that data, click here to go home, go back and see that is an indication that it did save that locally. So let's go back home. As you can see, it's a real well done React project. I had a lot of fun with this process, from our GitHub project board to actually Figma and bringing it to life. It all was a fun process to learn and create and see it all actually. There's minor changes from the Figma project to the actual project, and that was pretty cool to see, to actually try to stick to the plan. But that concludes our video here. This is our React project for our Project Portfolio 2 class. Mine is the Rick and Morty API.